Hi everyone, today we are creating a PowerPoint flyer, okay, or today we are creating a flyer in PowerPoints. So how we will create this flyer in PowerPoints? You have to see this video for more practice, okay. So let's start. First we need to open a PowerPoint. As you can see, this is the interface of PowerPoint 2019. You can open it any PowerPoint if you have it, okay, in your computer system. Right now I will click on blank presentation or click on new presentation. After that click on blank presentation. Here you can see I got it this page in this presentation and there are two boxes, okay. Click to add title and click to add subtitle. I don't need it this one because I need to create a flyer for anything, for example restaurant, for example apple juice or anything. As you want to create a ad, you can create your flyer with that, okay, with that picture or with this topic. For example, I need to create a flyer for apple juice. So first I need to delete these two boxes in this page or click on backspace first. After that you can see here I removed two boxes in this page. And one more thing, if you are creating a flyer, you can create on a A4 vertical paper. So how will make it A4 vertical paper? Here go to the design option and click on slide size. On the right size you can see here there is an option slide size. Click on it. Then you can see there are so many options here: standard, widescreen, custom, slide size. So click on it, custom slide size. So I got it this pop-up message on my screen. So you can see here slide size for widescreen. If you click on this arrow, so you can see there are so many pages here. So I will choose it A4 paper 210 into 297 mm. Click on it. And I need orientation is portrait mode because I need a vertical paper, A4 paper. So click on it and then click on OK button. Then you can see there is one more pop-up message comes on my screen. So click on maximize here or here as you like. Then I got it this vertical paper, A4 paper. So zoom out little bit and I need to create a design for my flyer. So click on insert button and I'll choose it here shapes. Whatever you want you can choose it. So I will choose it this rectangle with the round corner. I will make it this one. And you can see here there are so many points here and there is a yellow small points. If you will click on it to make a curve, okay, more, little bit more, and after that resize this shape from here. And you can see here there is a arrow, rounded arrow. If you will click here and tilt it on any angle with that, so press your mouse from the left side and then you can tilt it in any angle, for example this one, okay. Then you can move it where you want. After that I need more shapes because I need to create a design. So click Control button and Control C and Control V to make a duplicate for this shape. So then adjust or position with that. For example I will put it here, Control C, Control V, okay. Then position it and look at that. When you are position of your shapes, so it's overlap with each other, okay. Don't make a gap, otherwise it will look like weird, okay, when you will insert a picture or shape fill. If it is extra then delete that. Now adjust. Now it's looked little bit better than previous one thing, okay. Now there are so many shapes and I need one shape instead of so many shapes. Why? Because if you will insert a picture here, okay, so it will look weird and it will comes on the screen with lines. Okay, so I need to create a one picture instead of so many pictures. So I will select all the picture here with that. Now it's selected all of the images here or shapes, and after that click on shape format. Then you can find there is an option merge and shape. So click on it. There are so many options for union to combine with together. Combine, only use it inside this shape. Okay, you can see here, look at that. So I will choose it here, union, to create a one shape. After that, shape outline, no outline. And one more thing, you can see here there are some extra parts. Okay, it's extended from this page. Okay, so I don't need these extra parts. So what should I do? I will take it this rectangle with 90-degree. Okay, click on it, start from here till here. Same thing with that, this side. Yeah, now I need only this shape. Okay, so click on it, go to the shape format, just a minute, shape format, click on it, then press Ctrl button and select these rectangles. Now after that you can see here merge shapes. There are so many options, so subtracted that. Now you can see here I cutted these extra parts. Okay, from this page. Why I cutted these parts? Because if you are printing your flyer, okay, so many copies in B4 paper or other paper, so it will appear there and you can't print smoothly. Okay, if there are some extra parts here. Okay, so that's why I cutted these extra parts, because I don't need it to print these extra parts in my paper print. Okay, so after that what should I do? I will take it one more shape, that one rectangle. You can choose it whatever you want. Now up to here, and same thing with that, no outline for that. Now I need to put picture here in this shape. So go to the shape fill, click on picture and choose it whatever you want. I'll choose it this apple here, because I need to create a flyer for apple, sir, apple juice. Now after that you can see here there are so many apples pictures here, so I'll choose it this one. It look better than other things. Whatever you want, you need to select and go to the insert. It will appear here, but you can see here it is behind of this rectangle. So click on this image or shape and click on this picture format, and there are so many options, bring forward, send backward. So I will click on bring forward. So you can see here my images is upward than this rectangle. Now I resize this rectangle because I don't need it complete rectangle for my flyer, because it's not look, because I need to create a design. So select this rectangle and create shape format. After that you can see there edit shape point. Okay, if you will click there, there is another option here, edit points. Click on it. Now you can see here there are so many points here. If you will click here and resize with that, so it will adjust it with self. Okay, for example this one. Now I need a color for that, this rectangle from this image. So what should I do? I'll go to shape fill and use it eyedropper, because I need this color, okay, from this image. So whatever you want, you will choose it from here. For example, I need little bit dark color, so I'll choose it this one. Now it look good. For example, if you want to write something here for your flyer, because if you are creating advertisement, you need to explain about your things, or you need to write the name of that product. So how you will write it? You can see here there is an option here, text box. If I will click here, and so it will appear here, then you can write whatever you want. For example, I will write random letters and then select Ctrl A and make it font, whatever you want, like this one, sir. So now it's look good. If you have any question regarding this, so you can ask me in a comment section, then I will reply it, or as you like. Okay, goodbye, see you later.